Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are hairstylist Salon A5 project template. You can easily download from the link in the descriptions. Here is my website GFX, and you can download from here or simply search from here if you can't find it. I'll leave the link in the description, and here is the file. Basically this is WinRAR file, so you need to extract this and you will get this folder, and here these are files. Template inside and outside. You can see these are PSD totally customizable templates. Just wait for it to be open. Yes, here you can see this is the left and right section and the background, or you can edit it, change color, add an image, completely customizable. I know you can do this. And here is right and left section. You can edit right section, slogan, complete text, edit the text, double click here, click replace here, just wait, replace, type your own text. And I think actually this color is matching, so this is not quite saying. Yes, yeah, this avatar, right, this was actually hidden. And here is a hair extension. You can see this completely customizable in images. And here is left section. I know you can do this, and this is the inside of the card or outside, and here is the other side of the card. I know you can do this. And just let me give you a quick review. And here is the front of the card, I guess. Yes, this is the front of the card, and the back one is back side of the card. Here you put your front logo and so on, and this is back. Okay, location, away address, permit, something. You can easily customize it, double click and so on, discount and so on. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.